Welcome to Pong AI Zone channel. Hey there! Ever felt like making money with YouTube is just too complicated? What if I told you there's a way to create powerful videos without touching a camera, using just AI? In this video, I'll walk you through a real method used by creators making money. If you're into AI tools that save time and boost your income, hit subscribe now and stay to the end, because there's a big tip most creators totally miss.
Making money with AI is rapidly becoming accessible to people from all walks of life. The key is understanding how artificial intelligence can solve real problems and create value. Start by identifying areas where AI can automate tasks or generate insights, such as content creation, data analysis, customer service, or even personalized marketing. Platforms now allow users to build AI-powered applications without advanced coding skills, opening doors for entrepreneurs to launch innovative products and services. Freelancers
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Pong AI Zone, and drop a comment if you want the prompt templates or tool links. See you in the next one. I'll show you another tool that makes content creation even easier.